Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, November the 16th, 2022. We have in this additional four puzzles that I need to solve. Three of them I've already solved. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Last puzzle of today, yes, number 5493. 5493. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. Quadra box or triple boxes. Correction, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. Well, quadra boxes then. Here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes. Here, a quadra box in an L shape. Well, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, is always a 5. Okay. More quadra boxes. Here also a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet, so need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to look for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then, how about the T shape? We have here a T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. More T-shapes. Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T-shapes. No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Alright. We have an L shape here. Remember, upside down, yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more shapes, other shapes? Well, here, another shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Do we have more? No. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Oh, no. We have one shape left here. One shape left. Let me draw this here. Almost overlooked. Well, this shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Yes, it's a 4. This box has the same number as that box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Yeah, that you need to recognize in this puzzle. I believe, yeah, one shape is missing. Maximum are 6. Yes, maximum are 6, but one shape is not in this puzzle. I believe the Z or the S construction or the shape. All right. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As pair 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. 3, 3, alright. Yeah, I'm thinking. Alright. 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Thinking. 2. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box is connected with that box. If I place the 4 here, then that box should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it's not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 are left, 1 and the 2, 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2. No. 1, 4, 5. Need a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I can fill one of those 2 boxes with a 4. And I need a 4 in this L shape. So I cannot place the 4 there. No 4 here. So the 4, the only 2 places left for the 4 in this area should be here or there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. If I place 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Well, I think this box, I need a 2, the 3, and a 4 here. So this box can be 2, 3, or a 4. 2, 3, or a 4. 2, 3, or a 4. And I need a 2, 3, and a 1 here. 2, 3, and a 1. So the only place left for the only place left here should be the 1 here then, okay. Because the 2 and the 3 I cannot place there because I need a 2 and a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. And this box is connected with that box, so we have so 1. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means we have a double 2 there, and double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box will be a 1. 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 2. And this box is connected with that box, so we have so a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And 5, 2 to 5, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this... Wait. These are 3 boxes, so wow, the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Wow. 1, 4, 5, 2, and a 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there, so 2 numbers left in this L-shape area for numbers 2, and the 5, 2 to 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2, we have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 to 4, let me mark those, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and the 4, Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. So the 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Ay. I think this box should be 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 to 4. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore, because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 2 to 4. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 oh, no. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there or here. Can be should be a 2, can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for this 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then, let me see. Oh, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 in this T-shaped area. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this cross area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These, wait, this box, wait, these are 3 boxes, so 1 or 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here, and this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated 4, so the 4 goes here, and 1 box left in this area for number 2, finish in 18 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again a 2 stars puzzle. Yes. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. Samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again, yes, tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.